video call backdrops. They are incredibly important from actually many reasons. Me as a wedding photographer and videographer, I want my clients to see that I care about photographs of my own. So behind me you will see our living room, basically, where we have all our photographs. We print roughly one photograph a year for that particular wall, and everything what you can see at my video calls is a part of our story. So is a Sasha here, our parrot, my kids, because I am busy dad, and it's not about showing something which doesn't exist or fake it until you make it, or whatever you want to show off, or you want to tell people that is something which is not happening. No, this is really us. This is what we do. A funny thing, at this wall there is only one picture where I am there, because usually I'm on the other side, but not necessarily. This one is taken by Carolina, this one is taken by Carolina. So there's many photos taken by each of us. Video background is incredibly important, no matter what business you are running. I want my clients to see that I'm really telling what I'm doing and doing what I'm telling. So I do care of telling people that they should print at least something from the wedding day, any significant day, and this is basically what we do. Oh yeah, and Sasha is confirming that. So whatever you do, video background is incredibly important. On the top of that, because I do videography as well, so I care about quality of the picture my clients see, as well as the best possible audio. And how I do it, basically you will see the microphone, which is just in here, and then next to me there is a ring light. Without the ring light it would be literally like that. Not the best. And with the ring light you have an even light. I'm not saying it has to be ring light, it can be a daylight. However, I have daylight quite far here, and this is our biggest wall we have in our living room. So do take a couple of minutes to think of what background is within when you do your client video, because basically you want to show your clients yourself, potentially, that what represents you, what they're gonna get when they're gonna book you for that assignment.